everyone, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation. Today we're working on Die With A Smile, Bruno Mars, Lady Gaga. Great song, really cool strumming chord progression, and I've been able to convert it to the Loog. Yes, this 3-string guitar. I'm playing my Loog Pro. It's the acoustic version. Learn more about the Loog at the links here in the description. I've got reviews on several of their instruments. I really like this instrument because it helps newer players jump into playing guitar right away. Younger players get to enjoy playing guitar. It's been great. I've been teaching guitar for over 20 years, and I love this instrument for newer players. So let's dive into this Lady Gaga, Bruno Mars hit, Die With A Smile. Lots of unique chords, so pay attention. Before I go on, let's talk about what we're learning today. We're going to learn the chords, we're going to learn the strumming, the count of the strumming, the progression of both the intro, verse, pre-chorus, and chorus of this song. There is a bridge later on the song, and I'll leave it up to you to look it up. It's very easy. I just want to get to the chorus. I want you all singing along and enjoying the song. If you have any questions about this song while you're watching this video, just leave a comment below, and I'll do a little video lesson for you right there in the comments, okay? Cool. Great. Let's get into this. Chords. There are a lot of different chords in this song. Let's start off with the ones from the chorus that I was playing at the beginning of the song. This is called a B minor 7, which sounds really nice. It's a beautiful chord. It's based off of an A minor 7. A minor you can find in your flashcards. And then I'm playing the 7, which is that G over the A in the key of A. But if I slide up, I now have kind of a cool chord shape that I can slide up the guitar. What am I playing? I'm playing my second finger on the 3rd string, 1, 2, 3, 4th fret. I'm playing my first finger on the 2nd string, 1, 2, 3rd fret. And then I'm playing my pinky on the 1st string. That's the 5th fret. That's the one with the dot. So it's the 2nd dot. And it'll sound like this. That's a B minor 7. This next chord I normally would not play, but on the Loog it sounds really cool. It's kind of an augmented... It's the drop down in the melody. If the world was ending, right? If the world was ending, So I'm letting that drop down for the next chord. I don't know what you would call that. I don't know if anybody geeky enough out there would know what to call that. It's a 7, so I guess it would be a flatted... I guess it would be a 6. A 6 chord. A B minor 6. That sounds really cool. Notice I'm just dropping my pinky to my 3rd finger. Now that you've learned this B minor 7 shape, we're going to play it again on the Loog up 2 frets to frets 6, 5, and 7. And that makes a C sharp minor 7 chord, which we hear in the album. We're playing If the world was ending, I want to be next to you. Now, what am I playing here? I'm playing an F sharp minor, and instead of playing down here, I'm going to play an inversion of that. So I'm going to move from the C sharp minor 7. I'm going to take my pinky and play the 2nd string 7th fret and move my 1st finger to the 1st string 5th fret. Now, why would I do that? Well, it's very economic to move from here to here instead of here to here. Same sounds, different inversions. Inversion meaning different notes stacked in different places. Learn about that more in music class. Let's just play these chords. That's an F sharp minor. So that sounds really good with the C sharp minor 7 to the F sharp minor. And those 4 chords make up the main part of that chorus. If the world was ending, I want to be next to you. Right? And that repeats. We've got more chords. Okay, so there's your chorus. The intro and the verse are much easier. So I went with hard. Now we're in easy zone. We're going to play an A major 7. So an A major is here. The major 7, we're going to take our first finger and drop it back to this G sharp on the 1st fret of the 3rd string. So those of you who've been here before, this is an A. We know our A. We're going to take it back. You can play it however you want. 1st finger, 2nd finger. 1st finger, 2nd finger. And then we're going to play a D major 7. So our D chord sounds like this. Our D major 7 is my 1st finger across all the strings. And yes, a D major 7 and an F sharp minor are the exact same notes. It's pretty wild. It just depends on where we are musically. So that's a cool sound together. I'm just using different fingers. Okay, so there's the chords for the intro and the verse. A major 7, D major 7. Yeah, this is a lot of new chords, and this is definitely chords that you cannot find in your Loog flashcards and really anywhere online. So I'm glad you stopped by so you could learn this song with all these cool, beautiful chords that Bruno Mars put together and Lady Gaga is singing with him. It's a great song. Have you subscribed yet to the channel? Go ahead and click that button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. I'm here every week with a new lesson or review or some sort of music lesson. So I'd love for you to be a part of the Loog Nation community. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now that we have our chords, let's talk about the strum. We're counting to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It feels like 3, but by counting to 6, it makes it easier to move through the progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice I'm snapping on 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you could just strum that, right? We could strum. Something that you hear more in the album is something like this. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, what am I saying? Down, up, down, up. So I'm going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. That's the strum from pretty much the whole song. That's an advanced version. Obviously, we just went through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as we're learning the full progression, maybe we just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just so you can hear the changes. Speaking of the progression, let's get into it. So, the intro, we're going to play each chord for 2 bars. That would be 2 counts of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then change 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you just played the intro of the song. Once we've done the intro, we're going to go into the verse, which is the same chords. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to do that one more time. A major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, instead of going back to A major 7, we're going to stay on D major 7, and this is leading us into the pre-chorus. It's very seamless in the song. You got to listen for it. We're going to stay 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to jump up to the C major 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To an F sharp minor. 1, 2, 3. Right? That's that big build to the chorus. Now you could play, in this instance, we could play here, or you could drop down. And there's this big break, right, in the lyrics and the song, right before we kind of burst open into the chorus. Okay, did you get that verse? Take this back if you need to check all that verse out. Welcome to the chorus. Let's go through those chords again. We're going to play B, major 7 with the drop down to the C sharp, and then this F sharp minor. Again. Drop down, then up, C sharp to this F sharp minor. Now watch here, we go B again, that B major 7 with the drop down. Now there's this big build. We're gonna go A major, not right? Then E. Then we're gonna play F sharp minor up to the C major 7. All right, that's that nice big build. And then we're gonna end on a B minor 7, major 7, sorry. And then we're gonna sting on a, this is a very unique chord. The song goes crazy, you can tell in the chorus. You're gonna have to watch this a few times to really get all the chords. But then we sting on this E9, essentially. I'm playing an E4. It's an E9 sus4 on the guitar, but I'm just gonna play an E4. That's a really kooky chord that he plays at the very end of that phrase to get us out of the chorus. Okay, that was a lot. I'm gonna go through the chorus one more time. We have this B7 shape with the drop down. Then we're gonna move up to the C sharp, and then the unique F sharp minor. Then we're back again. Same thing. Resolve on the F sharp minor. Now we're gonna go dropping down with me here. Things change. We have this A, one chord. Yes. Right? So that was A, E, F sharp minor up to the C. And then we're gonna finish on the B to this E. And that's the whole chorus. Let's do a bit of a play along. I'm gonna move real slow. I'm gonna help you move through these chords, okay? I'm checking them out over here just to make sure we got it. You ready? I'm gonna use, again, I'm just gonna strum on 1 and 4. Okay, A major 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, intro, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, verse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. Stay here, pre-chorus. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C sharp, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's all in them F sharp minor, and we've made it to the chorus. Here we go with the B minor 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, drop down, C sharp, F sharp minor, repeat, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, drop down, F, C sharp, F sharp minor, and then one more time. Here comes the big build, A, E, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, B, hey, that was pretty good. How'd that go? Great. Woo! This was a challenge today. Lots of new chords, new shapes. But you notice that once we get it, it sounds really lyrical on the Loog. You hear the song and you hear the melody, which I love. That's why I wanted to present it to you today. Thank you so much for joining me. Hey, if you're interested in getting a Loog or any of the new Loog accessories, like a tuner or a strap, amp for your Fender Strat crossover Loog 3-string guitar, There's lots of things at the website, but I want to give you 10% off your entire order. So use my code WILLD10 and it'll get you 10% off your entire order. That's WILLD10. And that gets you 10% off your entire order. Go ahead, check out all the cool stuff that you can get at Loog at their website, and make sure you use my code at the end to get yourself 10% off your entire order. That's basically saving you taxes, which is awesome. All right, y'all, thank you so much. I'm so happy to be able to provide you lessons like this, challenging lessons like this one, and even easier lessons. So make sure you stick around the channel and check out all the other lessons I have available. Perhaps there's a song that you like and it's already a lesson posted. I've been doing this for a couple years now, so you never know. And if you ever have a song that you're like, I really want to learn this on the Loog, leave me a comment. Hit me up. I love hearing from you, Loog Nation community, and I want to be able to honor the lessons that you would like to have as much as the ones that I'm providing. All right. We'll see y'all very soon. Thanks so much for your time. Bye-bye.